Going solar for your home not only saves you money on your energy bill, but also helps the environment and your property value as well. But with so many options out there, how do you decide? Hi, we're San Diego Solar, licensed solar, roofing, and electrical contractors serving San Diego County for well over 20 years. We don't do plumbing, heating, or air conditioning. We specialize in solar. We're a local San Diego company, so you know that your money stays local and helps our economy. When you call us, you're not going to get a call center in another part of the country. We're a family-owned business, and you will speak directly to one of the owners of the company. We also don't use a cookie-cutter approach. We customize estimates for your home size, location, and type of roof. 2020 is a great time to go solar to take advantage of the tax credits, but those will be decreasing and going away soon. With battery backups and mobile app monitoring, your system will be cutting edge and it avoids all those outages when SDG&E blackouts happen. Click the link on this page today or call us at 619-276-1149 to get your custom quote absolutely free.